It's Arlen here with Prestige Trailers. Today I'd like to take you on a walk around on a few trailers that we're featuring today. This trailer model went into production in 2016. This year marks our 9th year that we have been building trailers for the Prestige trailer market. Originally, we started with a 40-foot tandem trailer, expanded to a 42-foot tandem trailer, and today we offer a 34, 38.5, 40, 42, and a 50-foot trailer. We will show you some of the features on this 38-foot trailer. All the options are really the same other than the length. What we've done is remove the space in the middle for the different lengths that are required. So the hoppers remain the same size. On the 50-footer, there's a few different things. We'll show you the back lift axle. That's unique to that trailer as well. So the tandem trailers are available 68-inch wall heights, 72-inch, 76, and 80-inch wall heights. White, black, and graphite metallic are the color options available. You do have the option of adding stainless steel corner post on these trailers, as well as a stainless steel front and rear wall. We have the coupler frame. The standard thickness is a 1/4-inch plate. We do offer a 5/16 plate as an option as well. We do have a closeout available under the suspension frame and on the coupler frame, which I'm just showing you right now. Another option that's available on this trailer is extra belting. We do offer a 4-knurl flap here just to protect any flying debris going into your landing gear or up against your hopper. Jost landing gear is the standard. It's aluminum Jost landing gear with a galvanized insert. 10-year warranty on this leg with a 5-year maintenance-free package. All of our fasteners are magna coated. They're not zinc coated. They're a better finish, resistant to rust for many years to come. 2-piece side rail, standard in all of our trailers, using 3/8 fasteners through the entire belt line, fastening the coupler frame to the hoppers right to the back suspension frame. With this 2-piece rail, we also have a vent hole drilled between every Z-post that's here. The standard thickness is 063 aluminum skin. Our inner skin is 050 aluminum, and our slope material is 080 aluminum thickness. None of our slopes are less than 30 degrees on this trailer. In many cases, more than 30 degrees, depending on the model. 2 chute gate sizes available, 25 by 27 gate, as well as a 16 by 24. This particular unit is a 16 by 24. Stainless steel gate is a standard on every trailer. The rack itself is a stainless steel rack. It is a rack and pinion design running on nylon rollers as well as replaceable nylon strips on the top. Should the door need adjustment, there is adjustment, and once that exceeds that, you can replace those nylon strips. Something I should point out as we're moving back, this particular unit has been equipped with sight glasses in every hopper. That is an available option. 4 different lighting packages. Standard lighting package would be the 3 lights on the bottom rail. Option A lighting package has 3 on the top, and you do have the options of going to 5 and 7 on top and bottom rail as well. This particular unit has the Model 33 penny light. We do have a brick light option as well. We'll show you what's new for the next coming year on the back of the trailer as some different lighting that has become the standard on the back of the trailer. The suspension, you'll notice something unique on this trailer. Super singles, that is an option available. Standard with a super single is a P-spindle axle, a parallel spindle, the same bearing on the inner and the outer side of the hub to support the offset wheel that we're currently using. Another option available on this trailer is the option of adding a half-round fender, either in stainless steel as shown here today or a poly fender. All of our fenders are mounted with a stainless steel bracket onto a stub that's welded onto the main frame. This section is just bolted onto that stub. Should you need to replace a fender, call our parts department. We'll send you a fender complete with the brackets attached. You simply slide it on your stubs and you're away. The suspension that we use as a standard on all of our Prestige trailers is the Hendrickson Intrax 23K suspension. Again, this particular unit has a P-spindle because of the super single wheel. You do have the option of the end spindle. It's a lighter weight option. We do have the option of having semi-fluid grease, as you see here today. We do also have just a standard 80/90 gear lube as our liquid oil-filled wheel end package. You do have the option of adding a TireMax system. TireMax is an inflate-deflate system. You preset your tire pressure at a certain level and it'll maintain that level across every tire throughout the trailer and start dumping when you exceed that threshold that's built into the system as well. We're here at the back of the trailer, and this is we're going to talk about a feature that we added to the trailer in this model year. You'll notice the top lights are now oval round lighting. Earlier models would have had the Model 33 penny light as shown on the side rail. We just felt as an added safety we would go to an oval light on the top. The right side is acting as a signal as well. Left indicates left, and the 3 lights in the center also act as high mount brake lights. So in addition to the 2 you have on the bottom, you have another 3 lights on the top rail to act as a safety. The ladder itself gives you a nice low entry point and folds up out of the way when you're not needing it. As you crawl up to the top, to the catwalk or up the ladder, there are large grab handles mounted on the Shur-Co tarp hood. Standard tarp on the Prestige trailer is the Shur-Co tarp. You do have the option of adding a power chute opener onto it as well as a power tarp as well. We're just here at the back of the 50-foot trailer. It's identical in design to the 40, 42, 38-foot trailer, other than the fact that it's been extended to 50 feet in length, and we've added a single wheel on the back that's liftable. The other thing we've added was a small quarter fender to protect the rocks from going forward. The air gauge box is mounted behind the back axle of this trailer. Again, it does have the air chuck dump valve as well as a control for the rear axle on this trailer. The one and only difference between these 2 trailers, other than the length, we changed the spacing of the Z-posts in the no-load area. We typically go 12-inch spacing on all of the trailers. On this particular unit, we've gone to an 8-inch spacing in the no-load area, just given the long distance of that slope. One more feature that's different on the 50-foot unit than the tandem models that we offer. On all of the tandems, we have a single row stiffener band on the hoppers, but given the length of this trailer, we have 2 stiffener bands on these hoppers, and that's available on the 50-footer as a standard only. I'd like to thank you for joining us today on this walk around of the Prestige grain hoppers. If you need more information on these hoppers, please visit us at prestigetrailers.com or call one of your local dealers. Thank you.